A fascinating commencement address at Columbia where you talked about AI and what it means for jobs. You said in the next 10 years, all financial companies will be turned upside down with AI replacing traders, bankers, accountants, research analysts, insurance companies. Last year, my AI investment algorithm returned 8 times more than my private banker. That reminds me, when I go home, I'm going to fire my private banker.
I hope he's not watching this.
Yeah, he's been shaking in his boots since you said that. You go on to say that you think simple jobs like factory workers and assistants will also get replaced, but even more complex jobs, doctors, teachers, reporters. Who still has a job in this brave new world?
Well, I think the creators will have a job. The creators in technology, science, but also art, entertainment. So that's a significant portion. And I think people who are in service industries, who deal with social aspects of service, that will actually be a set of jobs we have to create. See, unlike in the Industrial Revolution, where a set of jobs are gone, another set came about through assembly line. This time, we have to deliberately create these jobs that relate to social aspects, because AI is no good at dealing with people to people.